Hi, so today I'm just going to be sharing with you all about the Windsor Newton filled pocket set. My little love and admiration for it, what I love about it, and so much more. I'm Tammy Inman, and this is A Peach Life, and let's just jump right in and get started. So I posted a prior comparison video of other travel kits for you, and I feel like it kind of took away from this particular little cute guy here. And so I just wanted to talk about this only today and what I really love and enjoy about it. I love the compact size. I love it has everything all in one for you. All you need is your paper. It's great. You could put it in your tote bag, your pocket. You can keep it in your car, a little spot in your bike or golf cart. If you're live in a little peach town like me and you have golf carts and you roam about, that way you always have something for creating. Now, when I say it packs its punch and it has everything in here, it's got a nice snug little cap lid, which keeps everything secure and in place. Nothing's gonna come apart. That lid also acts as the cup for your water. You have an item in here that is supposed to be this way. You have a container in here that holds the water, which is so wonderful. It also acts as a mixing pellet spot. It has a little notch here that goes right into the grooves here to hold your water cup securely in place. If you would like to do that, you can go ahead and pop that open. It has a nice deep little plastic piece here. When you insert that, it's really going to go in there and keep that secure and your water's not going to leak. Now, completely full, it will fill your water about halfway, but it's nice just to add a little in case you need to rinse that out and add some more fresh water. It has the nice little Windsor Newton brush. It's a nice, sharp, little small brush. Now, some may need a little bit larger brush, and I'll share with you kind of my option for that. But this is nice too to get those details in there. So good. And then these little flips open up for more mixing palettes. And then you have the three little spots here. I know for me, I'm really getting used to mixing and making my own colors, and I've really been loving that. Normally, I like to have lots and lots of colors with me, but I've been finding I've been really enjoying learning how to mix my colors. It normally comes with 12 colors all on its own, and I have incorporated a couple extra. It normally has the sponge, which I have trimmed in half, that went right here, which is nice for, I got some white on me. I've recently have been painting with these to wipe your brush or excess paint off. Now, if your brush ever does do that little flip up, if you give that a little twirl, you're good to go. I'm going to take that paint off here. And then, oh, I'm kind of getting it a little everywhere now. All right, so I like having just the one in here. You can remove the paints. This is the piece that keeps everything secure, and they come out. And so I got the student grade because I wanted the dark navy blue. A lot of people say it's black. It looks really navy blue to me. I wanted that cover. It comes in white now, and I couldn't find the professional grade in this color, so I knew I could mix them and change them out if I needed to. So that was wonderful. And also some of the other colors I went ahead and changed out with some that I had. So that's a nice option as well. You can take and just slide these back in here nicely. And then pop it and secure that back in place. And like I said, I had some extra pans, so I have added those in. And I've taken my sponge and I've really just squished it down nicely. And I will tuck that in here. And you'd be surprised, that is so absorbing. It's wonderful. I don't bring anything else with me. So I really love and enjoy just the cute factor of this, and everything's all in one nice little compact size. You have the ring on the bottom, so if you want to hold that or you need to hold that while painting, you can. You can keep your lid on as well. It's really just like a personal option. If you like to keep your little cup separate, you can. And then also, I feel like I tend to paint this direction more in how I utilize my things, but you can always turn it, or if you're a lefty, over here. So it's really user-friendly. It's really wonderful. And many of us have this pan size already. So if you have other ones and you want to switch them out, you can switch out the Windsor Newton pans, which is wonderful. So it is very functional and optional. It's really great. You close this up. Oh, another wonderful thing is if you're not using it at the moment, you can always borrow this and slip this into one of your little art watercolor kits for plein air painting, which is really nice if you want to borrow that if you're using a different setup at that time. I know I really love also art toolkit palettes. They're one of my very favorites. And so maybe I might borrow that from time to time. And it also kind of depends what I'm taking with me, what setup I bring along, or how I organize my items. But this is just a go-to. I can see wanting to just keep this in my golf cart. So when I'm out or have a little time, grab a coffee, stop at the lake, go to one of the little areas here around town. It'd be so nice just to always have that. Even though I always kind of keep something in my purse or handbag, I don't always have that with me on my golf cart because I have, Apple Pay on your phone and you're out, you can use that. So a lot of times I will leave my bag at home. So this is wonderful. I'll definitely be adding one of these to my golf cart. And if you have a little bike or something that you take out and about often and have a spot, it's really great and wonderful. And it's a nice solid case. And you may want to put together, even if you don't use this, another little kit to put in, say your bike or whatever you go out and about on for your adventures. So also I will say to be aware that just because you see this dark cover on here doesn't mean it's this one. The new white case seems to be in a lot of these boxes as well. You will see on the boxes the all white case, and it will be all white case in there. But sometimes you'll see this and it will have an all white new case in. So if you're looking for the darker color, definitely confirm that if you're purchasing on like eBay or Mercari or something like that. And they also have them like at Michael's and a lot of other like nice art supply stores and such. So definitely confirm that if that's what you're wanting. The white is nice as well. And then sometimes when people are posting, you can see the color in here. And so that might help you out. Sometimes there is a pamphlet there so you can't see the color. Sometimes you can see a little color poking through there. It varies, but most importantly, if you're wanting the original color, definitely reach out to someone who's selling that and confirm that with them. So like I said, I wasn't able to find the other than the student grade in this color. I grabbed it. I'll use that. I'll also mix in some other things and fill them with other paints and things along the way. But it's wonderful. and I've heard so much that it's so bulky. That is nothing that I would say to describe this in any shape or form. It is just adorable. This is a passport size traveler's notebook. You can see how small it is. And then if you do side by side, it's just a little thicker than that. I mean, it's really lovely. And lastly, if say you do need a larger brush with you, when you take your watercolor notebook with you, I keep on mine a Leuchtturm pen holder, and I just keep an extra brush in there as a go-to. It doesn't need the clip-on. It really holds it secure. And that's a nice little thing to take along with you, or any size watercolor notebook you have. It's nice to add a little spot if you want to clip a brush on. So let me just say, lastly, I'll have some videos at the end that you can click on showing the comparison video, showing some other little travel watercolor kits I enjoy and put together. And if you like the video, don't forget to click that little like button. I always love and appreciate that so much. And lastly, I will just say, if you've been on the fence like I was for so long, because I listened to so many different reviews that really didn't rave over it, didn't exactly undersell it either, but I hesitated, and I wish I hadn't. I wish I went for it, because beyond my expectation, I love it. I love it so much. It's adorable. It's wonderful. So don't stay on the fence for it. Go for it.